Hey guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing skin tag removal remedy that would actually help you to remove all skin tags, skin warts and skin mole. Okay, now I'm going to be telling you all it takes in the video, okay, to get rid of them. So watch this video to the right end. Now let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel and share this video, and then let's go. To get rid of skin tag and have a smooth skin, you're gonna be needing onion. Now onion is one great ingredient that helps so much for the skin. Have you actually tried using onion to glow your skin? Now we actually don't use it much here in this natural treatment because of the effect in the eyes, but it is used in creams and soap. Okay, it is very effective when it comes to skin tag. It will help to remove all of your skin tag and leave your skin very smooth. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. So I'm going to be alright. Sorry guys, I wanted to just create it here so that it's gonna be easy. Alright, so blending it will be easier because creating it might cut my fingers. So I'm gonna be packing it in here. And then I'll blend. So this is it. Alright guys, so I have to blend this dry because you'll be needing only the juice. Okay. So this is the onion juice, and then we're going to be needing to use lemon. Now when it comes to skin tag, combining lemon plus onion is very effective in removing all skin tag. What it does is that it actually gradually kill the skin tag and reducing removing all of the blood flow on the skin tag. Therefore the skin tag would actually die off. So when you are using it and you apply it there for so long, it will do that. Now let me show you how you're going to be mixing this. So what you do is that we're going to be getting a knife, and then we're going to cut the lemon, and then we're going to be squeezing it into the onion juice. Just a little will go a long way, and then we stir it all up. Okay, so what you do is that you would have to, since this is liquid, you definitely have to need a cotton wool for this. So you dip your cotton wool into your liquid skin tag treatment, and then you would you would have to put it onto your affected area, onto that place where there is the skin tag. You put another one, and then you put it there. Okay, now you have to go get a plaster or a band or a tape, a sellotape, to just literally just tape this thing over, and so that it won't fall off, since it is just liquid and cotton wool. Now when it stays on your hand or on the affected area where there's skin tag for at least some hours, for like 20 hours or even 14 hours, it's going to actually stop the blood flow on that particular skin tag, and then the skin tag would begin to die off, and then you're going to be good to go. So what you do for this particular one, you have to use it for at least 4 days consecutively. Don't skip any day. Immediately you remove the first one, just like I removed this one, you have to apply it again immediately. Okay, now cover it in a way that there will be no hair, you know, entering the cotton wool, and the cotton wool will stay wet. So cover it very, very well so that the cotton wool can stay very wet, and then the ingredients that is in the cotton wool, that's the liquid, would keep working, and then it will keep killing the skin tag little by little. So for this particular ingredient, 4 days will be okay for the skin tag to go off. Yeah, so let me show you the second ingredient for your skin tag. So okay guys, so the very second treatment for skin tag is garlic. All right, now garlic is actually very effective when it comes to removing skin tag or killing skin tag on your skin. It helps so very much. All right, alongside with the next ingredient that I'm going to be showing you, it helps it works in few days also, and it's also a great remedy for what? Mole. Okay, so if you're having skin wax, in fact skin growth generally, so if you're having any growth, be it mole or what, yeah, wax on the skin doesn't actually, you know, go as easy as skin tag do, but people do have a lot of skin tag more than skin wax. Yeah, skin tag is quite common compared to skin wax. Yeah, so after that is done, what I'm going to be doing in this particular one, since it's quite small, I'm going to be creating it just little by little, so I won't have to cut my hands. Now after creating this, this is what I'm going to be getting. Okay, so this is it, and the very next ingredient in which you're going to be mixing this garlic with is apple cider vinegar for a better and a fast result in removing skin tag. Okay, apple cider vinegar is abrasive in the way that it will help to kill off the skin tag when mixed with garlic. Okay, so even if you want to use apple cider vinegar, you're not going to be using it directly, but you're going to be using it alongside with garlic, and so it could be very effective, and it will actually help to kill the skin tag in a number of days. So for this particular treatment, you also grab your cotton wool. You literally need cotton wool in either of them, okay? You grab your cotton wool, you take much of this garlic, and then you place it onto your skin tag area, just like that. Take another one, press it there, just like that. Now, if in case you have tiny skin tags, you know, all over the place, what you need to do is to grab the juice of this. So the very first one is going to be ideal because it's juice. So you grab the juice of this and then you rub it onto the places where you tend to have tiny skin tag. But when you have them big and defined, you place it here. You look for a plaster or a tape, okay, something to hold this thing with, okay, and a tape will be better because a plaster is actually small. A tape will be better, that wide tape, so that when you tape it, there will be no hair going into it, so the juice can actually stay into the cotton wool, and then it will continually, you know, eat up the skin tag. Little by little, the skin tag would die off. Now for this particular treatment, guys, just 3 days. When you're consistent, just 3 days, your skin tag will be gone, okay? Now you have to let this thing sit on your skin tag area for at least 22 hours or 21 hours. Okay, immediately you remove it, you put another one, and then you cover it up, okay? Just 3 days, your skin tag will be gone because you're literally going to be disturbing it with this ingredient, and trust me, you're going to be good to go. So go give this a go and give it just 3 days and your skin tag are gone. So that's it. You can actually use any of them, okay? Try this one, and afterwards you try this one to know which one would actually, you know, work on your skin better and faster, okay? So that's it. If you do love this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.